If you want to make your presentation available to view to a larger audience, you can publish it to the web. This process will generate a specific URL for the document that you can share out, as well as an embedded code that can be copied and pasted into the HTML code for a website. Any changes made to the document will automatically be reflected in the published version. To publish a document, you will first need to have the presentation open. Next, click the File menu. From the file, select Publish to the Web. A pop-up window will open containing your publishing settings. The first type of publishing is selected for you, and it is just a web link. You can choose how often you want your slides to advance by using the pull-down menu under Auto Advance Slides. You can easily select from a wide variety of timings. Select every 10 seconds. Use the checkboxes to decide to have the slideshow start immediately once the player loads and to restart the slideshow after the last slide. Click the blue Publish button to begin publishing to the web. Another pop-up window will open asking you to confirm that you do wish to publish your document. Click OK to continue. A URL will be generated that you can copy and share with anyone to view your presentation. Google also provides you with buttons to share your link via Google+, email, Facebook, and Twitter. If you would like the HTML code so that you can embed your document into the HTML code of your website, click the Embed tab. Use the first pull-down menu to select the slide size you want. Choose Small. You can choose how often you want your slides to advance by using the pull-down menu under Auto Advance Slides. You can select from a wide variety of timings. Select every 15 seconds. Use the checkboxes to decide to have the slideshow start immediately once the player loads and to restart the slideshow after the last slide. Click in the box containing the HTML code and it will all be selected. Copy the selected code and paste it into the HTML of your website. Any changes you make to the document will be reflected on the website immediately. Click the triangle next to Published Content and Settings to reveal more options regarding the publishing of your document. You can check a box to require people from your organization to sign in with their Google account in order to view your document. This allows for a higher level of security and limits the audience slightly. You can also allow Google to automatically republish when changes are made to the document. If you wish to stop the publishing of your document, click the Stop Publishing button. A pop-up window will open asking you to confirm that you want to stop publishing your document. To close the publishing window, click the X in the top right corner of the window.